Cherry Blossom Tree Painting Tutorial by Audrey Buttigieg, Cardona. You'll need canvas or canvas paper, brushes, pieces of cardboard, cotton buds, some single and some bunched up and held with a rubber band, a plate for mixing paints, water container with water, and a paper towel. Paints you'll need: violet, cobalt blue, turquoise, magenta, yellow, burnt umber, and yellow. Squeeze turquoise, cobalt blue, and violet directly on the canvas as shown. Start from the turquoise and paint in a circular movement using a brush. With a round brush and using burnt umber, paint the tree trunk and its branches. Add yellow and white to the tree for highlights. Squeeze blobs of yellow and turquoise on the bottom of the canvas. Use a piece of cardboard and an upward movement to create grass texture. Dip the side of the cardboard into the blue and dab it in the grass. Mix magenta with white and dip the bunched up cotton buds into the pink paint. Dab all around the top of the tree. Use a single cotton bud and dip into magenta and dab on the pink blossoms. Do the same with white paint. Thank you for watching. Original music by www.bensound.com.